Hi, let's see today how to combine the frames or clips which have different size like this in one video in Filmora. First of all, we have to set up the aspect ratio of our next video, and as we can see, right now it's 16:9 and I think it works. Okay, we are not changing, we're just dragging our pictures, our frames onto timeline, and if we leave them like this, we will have something not very nice. So the first picture is okay, and we have just to change the second one. In order to do that, I will do right click of my mouse over the picture and go to crop and zoom. And here there are two possibilities we can do now with our picture. The first one is just to crop, just to set up the ratio, not original but 16:9, and we'll see there is a big part of our picture will be cut off. We have just to choose the area which is right now inside the rectangle, which will stay, and to apply, for example. And we see big part is just deleted. Maybe it's not so nice. So let's do Ctrl Z and go to crop and zoom tool again, and I choose pen and zoom. And here we're just setting up the ratio 16:9, and let us see what we can do. We can animate. The green rectangle is the start position of our next clip, and the end we can move to, and I will do something like this. And now let us apply. We have a video, and it's like all the picture is visible. And what I will do, I will increase. I did left click of my mouse holding it and increasing the duration of our new clip. Let us see. It's better now. And what actually is necessary, as I think, to add some transition between two parts of our new video. Transition, let's choose, and let it be something like Page Carl. I think is good. Nothing special, but works. And let us see now. That's it. Thank you. Bye.